sure thing.
So, I'll pass you.
Banky! Banky, my guy!
Nah, lie.
How far,
bro?
Baba, where you dey go?
When I walk with me, I
Baba, enter. Banko, my
I'm
guy!
so happy to see you.
Man,
How
nice
can you
one.
Season money.
Baba, how far now?
Oh, I don't remember old times. How far that your babe now? If you not get name, when you carry for head that year, we say they run everywhere, bro. You they cook for, you they wash, bro, everything. We can't even give you allowance. Yeah! You remember?
Hola, Shade.
Shade now!
Hola, Shade.
Yes, now Shade now. Bro, I beg calm down now. You don't dey match am. Calm down now. Calm down, bro. I been best now. What's happen now, my bro?
This guy dated me at 9 of that boy.
That's it, I beg. I don't be know.
You know, say Shade born twins for me.
Yes, now for when they post for WhatsApp start to that year.
Those children will get my leave.
Yeah, I remember.
Bro, you don't believe saying na her bestie she born for.
Na lie. Puchi. Let me say they carry for fuck out to that year.
You are still reminding
No,
me.
I dey answer your question. Last year, I beg. Slow down. Help! Oh God, please, I will never talk about
Thank you. You're a good friend.
I still want to be a good friend, please. God. I still want to be a good friend.
You're one of the good guys.
I still want to be a good guy, please. Please don't drop me, please. I beg in the name of God. Please, drop me, please.
I don't know what came over me.
No, man.
Bro, I don't know what came over me. Spanky! Spankololo! Spankoli!
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Greetings, sir.
Due to the present situation at hand, all operations in the company are thereby suspended.
What's up?
Friend.
Shank. Sir, think about it.
Sir, hope there's no problem.
Shanks.
It's on the news.
Reports reaching us just confirms there's been a ghastly accident which involves 2 passengers with just 1 survivor. Let's talk to the survivor.
It could have been me. It could have been Uncle. Thank you, I'm so sorry. If you're seeing this from heaven, I'm so sorry.
Why do good people die?
Sir, I'm here now. Boss, I'm here.
Not my friend.
Take it easy, sir.
Bro, you are a bro to me. You are a bro.
Take it easy.
I just wanted to reverse.
Take it easy.